Hello, my name is Eric, and this is my Explain How It Works 2 video for Java class. Today we are doing two methods, both are recursive. Starting off with our first method is drawing these mini squares that are going to fill out our window. Our second is going to overlay that a spiral. And diving into the code, we build our world with a width and height under a fixed dimension of 500 and 500 to keep it a square. We are hiding our turtle. We are turning our color to black, setting our color. We draw out our square with a dimension of 3 pixels for the square, a space of 8 pixels between squares, and then we are starting off with our x and y at 0. We want, diving down into the actual method, before we move, we pick up our pen. That way you don't draw a line to where you're moving to. We then move to the 0, 0 at our initial. Then we place our pen down. We go through and draw out with our given size set at 3. Then when we go through our recursive, we want to check if x is less or equal to the width, which is set at 500. If it goes over, then we move down 1 row. And then we set x back to 0, which will then return back to this on the next pass. If y gets higher than 500, then we will return out of the recursive altogether. For our pixel, our spiral, we take in an angle and a pixel. We set the less or equal to 2, which gives us the middle of the screen. We make sure that we're turning in at a negative 90-degree angle. And then we take in our pixel count, which in this case is the length of the screen, and then we reduce that by 2 each pass, which then gives you each one of these lines coming in until you get into 2, in which it returns the call. All right, this is Eric, and thank you for listening.